Hi guys, if your Apple Watch won't turn on or stop charging, here is the fix. So the very first fix is forcefully restart the Apple Watch. So for that, what we will do, we'll press this digital crown and this side button simultaneously, okay, and press and hold it and wait for the Apple logo to appear at the center of the screen. Do not leave the screen until unless you see the Apple iPhone logo appearing at the center of the screen. Once you see the Apple logo appearing at the center of the screen, you can leave those buttons. Now, once you see the Apple logo, we can leave those buttons. So we have forcefully restarted the Apple Watch. So this is the first fix. The second fix is maybe it is fully discharged or deep discharged. So try to just charge the Apple Watch overnight or at least for 30 minutes. Okay, so just recharge your Apple Watch with the charger for 30 minutes, and after that try to power on the Apple Watch using this side button. Just press and hold it for 10 seconds and it'll restart. So this is the second fix. The third fix is what you have to do. You have to make sure the charger is not faulty. Try to clean the charger, okay, and make sure it is not a hardware fault. If you can get hold of any other watch charger, try to charge your Apple Watch from that charger and see whether this issue gets resolved or not. Thanks for watching. Please do like,